Cody think there's a snake or something in the bottom of this little water thing. Cody. Cody, what's in there? Cody. There's something in there now. You better get it. What's in there? Get it now. What's in there now? What is in there, Nudge? Oh no, you better get it. It's gonna get you, Nudge. What's in there? Get it now. What's in there? Say find it. I want you to find it. Whoop. Or you find it? Find it right. Find it right now. Get in there. What is in there? What is in there? What is in there? You see anything? What you doing in there? Look in there, yeah. Look in there. Find it. Get it, yeah. Don't leave a trace unturned, yeah. Yeah. Get it, yeah. Now, Sid, what are you doing? Are you eating grass? Have you become a cow? No, get it, yeah. Get it, yeah. Get it, yeah. What's in there, yeah? Something in there. See it right there? Don't you see it right there? You better watch out now. Get you now. Oh, hold on. Judy's home. Go ahead. Gimmy's home. Sid, you can't go that way. Sydney. Sid, this way. Come on. Sid. Dingy in their old age. Come on. This way. Sid, come here. Get up. Get over there. Oh. Now, who's home? Is there somebody home at the end of the white picket fence? I think it's Gammy.